Hey guys, so today I'm showing how to place the bed lock on my front door. I got this electronic lock because I don't like carrying keys. This is off Amazon. So out of the box, you get a really nice manual actually, in color, very clear and detailed. Warranty, this is a hornbill. I don't know how they come up with the name, but whatever, as long as it works. Installation template, I'm gonna try it on and see which one works for me. Basically you're supposed to bend this on the door and drill a new hole here. Also in the box, the deadbolt lock, and really nice keys actually. They feel like car keys, but you only need these if the deadbolt is not working due to batteries. So hopefully I'm not going to use them. They included a drill bit also for that single hole. This is the back plate and the lock itself. I think that's where the key goes if needed. And then this is the inside portion. And the outside seems like a stainless steel. It's really nice finish. Alright, so this is the deadbolt I'm replacing. Luckily the color matches for me, so I don't have to replace the bottom piece. For the deadbolt, I make sure where it says up goes up. So we're gonna go like that. It's right on it. I did put little thread lock here. You don't want this to spin. And tighten it. It does have tabs on top, so you can tighten it. On the back side, put the backing plate. And the harness on the side like that. My door is a right-handed door, so make sure you set it to right. And now I'm ready to put the last piece puzzle in. So I'm gonna connect the control unit. Now you could use the last screws. Okay, now I'm ready to put the batteries on.
It looks like
They don't know how to shut up هالولاد. Alright, battery's on. The manual functions. Now to the controls. I'm gonna keep that on. Okay, to find the app, I'm using the QR scanner. Okay, this is the app. Here, I'm just gonna make an account. Okay, now I'm trying to find it. I found it really quickly. Lock. Okay, now I have the app. But how do I lock? How to lock? Press long. And now it's locked. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now we're gonna look. Alright, to try the key, just pop the cover. You probably should keep that pin in your car. And then now the key can lock and unlock.